Welcome everyone to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we'll be learning all about Linux commands. Linux commands. In CLI terms, a directory is a container for files and other directories. It is essentially a folder that helps organize your files and keeps your system structured. Functions of Linux commands. /home contains user's home directory. pwd is a command to show the present working directory. cd and enter the choice or the destination. It will allows you to get into the destination, while cd itself changes directory or takes you to your home directory. cd dash takes you to the previous or last destination. cd dot dot takes you one directory back if you're diving within directories. cd dot dot slash c dot dot takes you two directories back. When you click the arrow up command, it takes you one command back. Now that we know all the functions from Linux commands, let's actually do this in practical use. First off, /home contains all the files from the user's directory. Now, in order to do this, first we need to go out, open, type aws.amazon.com, sign in or create an AWS account. I mentioned how to create an AWS account in my previous video. Hopefully you paid attention. Now that you're signed in, you're going to go to EC2, then go to instances on the left hand side. Select any server. I'm going to select database server. Make sure it's running. Start the server. Successfully initiated, starting off the instance ID. Now that you see it's running, we're gonna copy this public IP. Then we're gonna open MOBA Extern. I have it here. Now we're going to make a full screen. Click on sessions, SSH, and click this remote host. Paste the public IP you copied. Specify username. Click EC2-user. Advanced SSH settings. Click. Use private key. Click. Okay, now that you're here, you'll select your private key. Always make sure it ends with .pem. Open. Press OK. Accept. And now we are in the server, ladies and gentlemen. First command was ls/home. This lists all the users that are in the server. Next command. What's the next command? Next command is pwd, present working directory. Now let's practice. pwd. Currently, I'm in the home of EC2 user. This shows what user I am. EC2 user. I'm currently logged in as EC2 user. I'm in the EC2 user directory. cd into the choice. Now, for example, we want to cd into a file, but in order to cd, we must do ls to list all the files in home directory. So we have AWS, Dubai Tracks, and star.sh. Let's cd into Dubai Tracks. Now we are inside the folder, Dubai Tracks copy. In order to verify, you can do ls or ll. But I don't want to do that because I have a lot of files in it. Next up is cd. cd changes the directory or takes you home. Now let's say I didn't want to come here, so I'm gonna go back home. I do cd, and now I should do pwd to see what directory I am. Guess what? I'm back in the home directory. Now cd dash takes you to the directory we previously were. Cd dash. Oh, would you look at that? I'm in the Dubai Tracks photos. I'm now in the directory. pwd states what I am, although it's a copy. Now cd ... takes you one directory back. Remember, cd ... needs a space. I forgot to put a spacing. You need to do a space and then ... and cd ... It's the same concept, except it takes you two directories back. Now because I'm not two directories back, I cannot use this command. Next up is the up arrow. Now whenever I press this up arrow, it takes me to the command I previously was using. So I can do it as much as I want, and this improves the efficiency and automates things to make it faster. That was all in today's video. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video as you continue on your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Luis. Bye bye.